Hey guys, what's going on? It's Clyde Bryan with LOA Roofing and Construction. I'm sitting here today with Patrick Rich, one of the other owner-operators, and we got Steve Winston, our regional sales manager. So today we kind of just want to let you guys and inform you guys more about what LOA does. So a lot of you guys might not know this, but we're also a commercial roofing company. We operate and serve the Austin, Houston, and San Antonio area. Today we're on what you call a ballast roofing system. What we had is we had a customer give us a call, potential client give us a call, let us know that, hey, they have a ton of leaks. Inside the offices, there's some tenants that are reporting some problems. They have some ceiling tiles that have stains on them and are leaking. So they brought us out to kind of see what we could do. The big point I want to make to you guys is that we take a whole roof approach to fixing any kind of roofing problems that you might have. And what that means is a lot of times you'll have contractors that come out, they'll just bid it just to bid it. You know, the biggest project, what's going to produce the most profits. The thing that we're doing differently is we meet with the client, we figure out what their needs are and how we can address those needs, not just for now, but also for the future. So, you know, where their energy bill is at, maybe we can help them lower that. Maybe they don't need to replace the whole roof, maybe they just need to repair a portion of it. Just depends. So today we just kind of want to talk to you guys about this specific project, what we got going on, and how that can also benefit you in the near future.
Hi, I'm Steve Winston with LOA. I'm the regional sales manager. So one of the things that we're doing today is coming out and looking at this project and looking at the technical aspects of this roof to see what this customer specifically needs. As you can see, this roof has rocks on it, which are called ballast. Ballast is extremely heavy, and what it does is it puts a lot of load on the structure itself. So the first thing we can do to help this roof is to get all of this weight off. It's going to make everything a lot easier, and it's going to open up the roofing surface so we can find leaks, penetrations, or any problems that are occurring. From there, what we can do is we can lay down a TPO roof and actually put an ISO board underneath it for insulation value as well. So a lot of times we're able to come out and do coatings and actually do repairs on a roof, but with all these rocks on this roof, first the structure needs to be taken care of by lifting the weight off, and next we can start repairing the roof. So in this situation, it's a little bit different because we have all these rocks. But no matter what the situation is, we'll come out, we'll take a look at the problem that's occurring, and we can fix that specific problem for your specific roof. So if you know of any commercial roofs or any office buildings or anyone that has leaks or stains on the ceiling, we'll be able to come out, tell them specifically why, and the most cost-effective solution to fix that roof.
As always, guys, thanks for tuning in. We really appreciate y'all's support. If you have any other questions, no matter if you're another contractor, if you're a potential client, you own a commercial building, you're looking at buying a property, please give us a call at this number up here. Shoot us an email, leave a comment below, like our page. We'd love to talk to you guys, and we'll see you next time.